Hey there, Mike is here from Mike's Online Business Sites. In this Wealthy Affiliate tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the platform. I will show you what to expect from the starter membership. I'll show you the price structure, and also I'll show you what you can expect once you become a premium member. So stay tuned, and I will keep this as simple as possible. And let me start right away with the Wealthy Affiliate homepage. As you can see over here, the Wealthy Affiliate has changed the homepage, and only recently you can start by entering the passion or interest. In case you are pretty sure about your path and you are positive about your specific niche, you can skip this first step and you can go up here and go to the sign up. You can sign up now with your email address, and once you sign up, you will be inside of the platform, and this is the dashboard of the Start membership, where the first step will be to choose your business idea. So you basically go to the task number 1 and you will choose your own niche. Or for those that are not sure about their specific niche, it's always good to start with some brainstorming. So let's say my idea would be some furniture for bedroom, search or hit the enter, luxury bed frames, space-saving furniture, not bad. Let's say I want to go for a folding bed, portable folding beds, luxury folding beds. That sounds interesting. Now let's say you get the 4% from the luxury folding beds that cost about $1,000. That's already like 40 US dollars, right, from one sale. So let's choose this. Now you need to sign up. After providing your email address, you get to the dashboard of the Wealthy Affiliate Starter membership. As you see, the system is already installing your website, and a few seconds later, you see that your niche has been already chosen. Now it's within the hubs. And as a starter membership, you have access to a one hub, meaning that's basically your online business that you will be working on. Right here at the top, you see the step-by-step training. I'll get back to it in a minute. Let me show you an overview of what you see over here. Right below the step-by-step training, you see your website and brand. That's the niche we have chosen, luxury folding beds. And here is the website, luxuryfoldingbeds.siderubix.com. This is not yet the real domain, but a subdomain. Siderubix.com, it's a practice domain, practice website that you can work on. It's for free, so you don't have to pay for the hosting. Once you become a premium member, you can get onedomain.com for free. Actually, that's the part of the pricing, but I will get to the pricing later on. So we can take a look at the website. It's just a basic website, luxuryfoldingbeds.siderubix.com. Let me show you what is below the website and brand. So here we see the revenue opportunities. Revenue opportunities, meaning here the system will help you to find the affiliate program that you can apply for. So within the category premium sofa beds, the system is loading affiliate program options for you with the commission percentage that each program offers and also the estimated commission per sale. And right below here you have the content ideas that are generated and are specifically chosen for your niche. So as you see, we have already 5 posts that can be ready and we can publish them on our new website. Top 10 luxury folding bed reviewed, the best features to look for in a luxury folding bed. So these topics are within our specific niche, which is great. Google and other search engines, they can recognize your brand much better once you keep your content within the specific niche. In other words, the topic cluster. When we scroll down here, we see the writing tasks. My writing task, this is still empty. So when we decide to write this article, let's say top 10 luxury folding bed reviewed, I hit this plus button. It appears over here. When we are ready for it, we can write the article. Right below, you see the reasons why to upgrade. Once you upgrade, you will have a lot more opportunities to build the content around your niche. So let me get back to the training that is available for starters. There are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lessons that you can take. This is the first lesson, getting started. Welcome intro to hubs. it points us to the direction. Welcome to the intro hub. So we don't know what is it. So in this training, I'm going to walk you through your hub. So you can click over here, view training, and you have both video and a text training that you go through. In case you have questions, you can go to the right hand side where the other members already ask questions. Kyle and other members, they always respond to the questions. Once you finished, you completed the task, you go over here, you check the button, and you are automatically asked to go to the second lesson. Set your business goals. You can first view the training over here, how to set up the goal. You can read it through. Once you are ready, you can go and set up your goals. All of these lessons have the same pattern, and once you are ready, it's recommended to go for the premium. You go to upgrade to complete. If you decide to go for premium, that's only $49 per month, and you'll get the 3 businesses. That means the hubs, as we have previously seen. You have the 10,000 AI credits per month. That means you will be using these credits while creating the content. At the time when I started, I had to type all the content manually. Today the AI can help you to come up with the content. What you get also is the core training. Regarding the core niche training, I'll show you in a bit. As I mentioned, you will get the one free .com domain that has about $16 value, additional 5,000 AI credits. That's for the content creation as well. Once you're comfortable with the environment and the training, you can always upgrade to a Premium Plus, where you will get 3 times more AI credits, meaning you can create 3 times as much content. And on top of it, you'll get access also to a keyword research tool, the DJXC Enterprise, that is much faster than within the premium membership. And you can have 2 free .com domains. And if you decide to go for yearly, you save almost $500. Entire Premium Plus membership costs about $700 a year. Now let me show you what is inside of the premium membership. So once you become a premium member, you can get your own domain, meaning a .com domain. Let's say this is my domain, it's affiliatebusiness.com. Let me show you what is inside of the hub and training. So this was the first phase that I showed you that is available for starters, and once you upgrade, then you have the access to the register your .com domain. That's also step-by-step training showing you how to do that. And the training goes on. You will learn how to add a logo. You need to add the privacy policy page. This is how to join the live chat so you can ask questions. So over here at the right hand side, you have access to the live chat where people chatting and asking questions, asking for support. Today is Sunday afternoon in the Europe. The community is pretty active even on Sunday. Then you will learn how to share your link, how to do a keyword research, how to set up the About Me page, second niche article, how to create an AI image, and so on and so forth. There are 40 lessons just within the core training. On top of it, you have a weekly webinar that is hosted by Jay. This is a weekly webinar. It takes place on Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific time. All of the webinars are recorded, so you can watch them afterwards. So let me show you what is underneath the step-by-step training. The same thing as for the start membership, meaning your website and brand. This is your real website, yourwebsite.com. Here you have the revenue opportunities, in other words, the affiliate programs and networks that you can join that are specifically chosen for your niche, as I mentioned before. And also regarding your niche, you have the content ideas. You have on the left hand side the categories. You can also add the category. For each category you have 10 posts, meaning you have 100 post ideas. When you are ready with the specific post, you just hit the add to tasks and it appears over here right below. Once you're ready for the content creation, we can go to the write article. And this is the article designer that helps you to craft the article. First point is, what do you want to write about? Blog post. This is the topic that we have just chosen in the step before, and we can add the content details. Let's keep the tone simple, be informative. Since this post will be for beginners, I want to keep the tone simple, but at the same time also informative. You can add a lot more details over here, but once you create more content, you will get an idea what information to put over here. so the output will be a lot more specific. And we select the content length. We can have a 1 section or 5 sections, maybe 6 sections. Once we have chosen the length of the article, we just hit the create content. So here is the outline. It's always recommended to read the outline. When it's something that you don't like, you can delete it. You can even add a new section. And now once you're happy with it, the next step will be the author settings. In this step, you choose the author, so you can write it by yourself manually, or you can choose the AI author. Let's go for the AI author, and we can even pick one of the 2 authors, one of the professional copywriter, the other one is conversational blogger. For this specific purpose, since it is for beginners, I would pick the conversational blogger. So let's create the article. It should be done up to 1 to 2 minutes. So the article is ready, and it took about 30 seconds. We see that there's sections, headings, and paragraphs. It's always good to go through the article, read it through, make it maybe even more readable. So once you're ready, you go to publish, you choose your website, you hit the publish, and the article will be published on your website. When I go back to my hubs, we have gone through the content ideas where we have chosen the specific post. We added the post into our writing tasks. The specific task was to write the article regarding the navigation crypto wallet for beginners. When we scroll below, we see there is a niche research. This contains trending content ideas within your niche that is tailored for your audience. All these article ideas can end up being your content on your website. So having an access to such a vast amount of information, there will be always plenty of ideas for the content creation. So it will be very difficult to reach the point saying that, oh, what to write about? I don't know, I have no idea. Well, no time for excuse. There is plenty of content that you can use on your website. So this was the basic wealthy affiliate tutorial. I know it might be overwhelming at the beginning, but trust me, once you start using it, you will get used to it. And also, I'm always available. Once you become a premium, I can guide you through. I can answer your questions. So now it's up to you. Go to the link below, choose your niche, sign up. See you inside of the Wealthy Affiliate platform. Cheers!